They're not happy and they want their Prime Minister to know. Upset by the new COVID-19 restrictions, these protesters have rallied outside government offices in Madrid, where Spanish leader Pedro Sánchez was meeting. The country is recording an average of 10,000 new cases a day. The new rules, which encourage people to stay in their own districts and ban gatherings of more than 6 people, will apply to 37 areas in Madrid. Most of them are lower-income suburbs and districts with large immigrant populations.
It's horrifying because it's discriminatory, where we travel like sardines in a tin.
It is an acceptable measure, but I think that it should have been broadened to apply to the whole community.
In Belgium, the number of hospital beds occupied by coronavirus patients has increased by 60% in the past week. Like in other European countries, those infected were initially young people. But over time, the virus has spread to older populations, and now the hospitalisation and death rates are also growing. The UK is currently reporting more than 4,000 new cases a day, and that number is doubling approximately every 7 days.
If that continued, you would end up with something like 50,000 cases in the middle of October per day. 50,000 cases per day would be expected to lead a month later, so the middle of November, say, to 200 plus deaths per day.
It's believed the UK could soon impose a partial lockdown, which could involve measures like a ban on people socialising with anyone they don't live with. But there's concern compliance will be a problem, with the public susceptible to lockdown fatigue.
I think it's going to be very difficult to stick to. Not that I will. I've been very good, but I think most people won't.
With exponential growth in COVID-19 cases, pressure is mounting on European leaders to take stronger action to tackle the pandemic. But as ever, it's a delicate balance, implementing enough protective measures to save lives while causing the least possible damage to the economy. Sarah Morice, TRT World.